Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Nathan James 5-shelf bookcase. This is the instruction manual. It takes about 25 minutes to put together. I put that together all by myself. The instruction manual is very helpful. It's detailed enough and it's not complicated. This bookshelf comes in a lot of different colors. I chose the dark brown, nutmeg, and black because it matches the rest of the decor in my room. But there's white, there's other lighter browns, other different variations that you can choose from if you were to, want to have this type of bookshelf in your house. I needed more wall space. I wanted room to put plants, and as you can see I have 4 plants there. I want to potentially get more in the future, but I want to make sure that everything goes well with these 4 first. It actually started because I had my plants on my windowsill and my cat got a little excited one afternoon and she knocked a plant over and it went on the ground. Unfortunately that happened, and that wall was taken up with old memorabilia, so I decided I could just utilize the space better. So that 5-tier bookshelf, again, very easy to put together. Each shelf can hold up to 50 pounds. So the shelves, very thick, very sturdy, and these metal type frames, like, I'm not exactly sure if it's exactly metal, but they are sturdy as well. All you have to do to install this to your wall is to have a wall anchor and a screw and screw it in. Now that's already provided for you, but that's all you have to do to anchor it into the wall. Everything else, it's just putting the shelves onto the metal frame, and on the bottom, the posts, the end posts, do have protectors, so if for whatever reason the bookshelf does shake or move, which it shouldn't, it does protect the floor. You don't have to worry about it scratching it or anything. It's not raw, bare metal. I do have the last shelf empty, mostly because when I was putting stuff on it, my cat was sitting there watching me. Not sure if it'll stay empty, but there's a lot of space. Dimensions for this shelf are, it's 72 inches high, it's 12 inches deep, and 24 inches wide, which I was trying to find something that was not like too deep and also not too wide, so this was perfect, especially since you might notice there's a door right next to it. Well, there's doors on both sides, and I didn't want to impact the opening of either of them, or just bring it way out into my floor, which is the problem with a lot of ladder bookshelves, is the base is wide. It's like a triangle design where the base is big and then it gets smaller at the top. I wanted to have as much space as possible without taking up too much area in my room, and this is perfect. I like it a lot. Now, this is not sponsored or anything. I bought this off my own free will because I needed a bookshelf and this is the one I like the most, but I do like it. If you need something similar to it or a good place to keep books and have a very minimalist, style, this would go well. And just for your information, if you do happen to order this or, another design, it is very heavy in the box. Somehow the postman, I saw him bring it up in one arm. I guess he's that strong, but the box itself is 40 pounds. I mean, it's thick, wood and metal. So be careful with that, especially going upstairs. Yeah. Alright, so that's a look at the Nathan James 5-tier bookshelf. Make sure you check the description section below for more information, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.